We are rolling again. And here we have, I'm going to come close because of the, we got a bit of a breeze here. And I know sometimes on the microphone it gets all distorted. We're going to check out my good friend Jeff's. Put him on the camera, honey.
Sharp Customs.
We're checking out his electric GT40. Like I said, we come across the street, and he's gonna fire it up. Oh, it's already fired up. Look at that. It's already ready to go. Camera girl, she's gonna film it, and I'm gonna probably just stand over her shoulder and maybe blab while it's while the car's going. Let her rip, Tater Chip. Let's see this baby go. Oh, that's nice. She's quick. It's pretty looking. Very pretty. Oh, look at that. Headlights on. Looks good though. It's fast. It's fast. It could compete with my gas GT40, no problem. Probably handles better. My GT40's got like no traction. Thing with electric, it's not like you have it's not like you got really good brakes. You can let off and it slows good. There you go. Those are like brakes. Throw her in reverse. Throw her in reverse. Back it up. That's a nice looking car. Got the driver in it. I love those wheels. The colors, the gold accents the colors for sure. It's fast for only being on a 2-cell battery, and what I would consider a 10 scale setup. And this is the one. This one actually has the plastic rear differential, which is pretty impressive because I thought that thing would have failed a long time ago, but no, it's actually pretty good. It's awesome. It's awesome. Don't wear them, don't wear all the goodie off them Goodyears. Very cool. Very cool. The gold wheels, the gold trim, the gold paint. Even the, I love this all the little, the stick-on gold letters. That's awesome. Very nice build. probably not what I would consider a cheap build. I mean, you know, there's some bucks invested into this build. You know, between chassis, drivetrain, wheels, paint. You know, it's a small investment. But what's really cool about it is the fact that he takes it out and he runs it. Unlike most of the other stuff that you see at this scale. Where do you go on YouTube and you see stuff like this? The only place I know is Sharp Customs. That's the only place I see this kind of stuff being run, and run hard. You know, he's willing to put it through the paces, do donuts, let the ass end of the car hop around, knowing that at any given time, something could break. But that's part of the hobby. You break something, like that. You break something, you fix it. Or, you know what? I know for a fact he'll figure that out. I'm thinking stiffer springs in the rear. Maybe, you know, maybe go solid. Alrighty, there you have it. Nice run, yeah. Thanks for bringing it out and letting us see what it was all about. And there you have it. And second installment. I'm not gonna bore you with more details. Peace. We're out.
Sharp Customs.